In this project, we use the following components: Arduino Nano Servo Motor, Breadboard, power supply cable, green LED, yellow LED, red LED, and jumper wires. These components help us create an automatic traffic control system. Now we start building the circuit. Connect Arduino Nano to breadboard. Also connect GND to breadboard negative. Now connect the LEDs to Arduino. Connect red LED D2, yellow LED to D5, green LED to D8. Connect all LED negative terminal to GND. Now connect the servo motor. Servo signal wire to D9. Servo VCC wire to 5V and servo GND to GND. The servo motor will act like a traffic gate barrier. Now open mBlock website. Then you need to visit this. After that you need to click code with block. Once you click, then your website is open. After that you just need to go this and select your Arduino Nano. Once you selected the Arduino Nano, then you need to write down the code. So this is my code. After that, once your code is done, then you need to connect your Arduino Nano to your laptop. After that, you need to select serial, go to COM and select your port, then connect, then you need to upload the code. Once your code is uploaded successfully, then your project is working. Now the system is ready. The traffic light works automatically. Red light stop vehicle, yellow light gives warning, green light allow vehicles to move. At the same time, the servo motor opens and closes the traffic barrier automatically. This project is used in smart traffic systems, automatic gates, automation learning. It is a great beginner project for understanding traffic automation and servo motor control. Thank you and happy learning.